You're not getting weaker simply because of age. Strength fades when no one shows you how to preserve it.
More than 50 million older adults across the globe live with sarcopenia, the gradual, age-related loss of muscle that quietly erodes the body's power over time.
By the time someone reaches 80, they've typically lost almost half the muscle mass they once had in their younger years. This isn't only about appearance or fitness. It's about independence, preventing dangerous falls, and continuing to live life on your own terms. Every single year, over 300 older adults are hospitalized after falling, and in most cases, muscle weakness is the leading cause. But here's the important truth. Muscle loss does not have to be your destiny. Around the world, vibrant men and women in their 70s, 80s, and even 90s still walk, lift, climb stairs, and live actively because they've discovered how to maintain and rebuild their strength. And you can do the same. In this video, we'll uncover the daily habits that keep your body strong, your movement steady, and your life full of energy at any age. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. Where are you tuning in from today? Share in the comments below. And don't hesitate to ask me any questions along the way. Habit number 1. Moving your body with intention every day is one of the strongest defenses for maintaining strength and independence as you age. Muscles thrive when they're regularly challenged in different ways. Even light movement, if done mindfully, supports muscle preservation, improves flexibility, and builds confidence. The aim isn't to train like a professional athlete, but to keep your body capable, steady, and prepared for daily life. Strength training is especially powerful for preserving muscle health. Just 2 to 3 sessions each week of resistance-based activity can help maintain the strength needed to rise from a chair, carry objects, push, or lift with confidence. A gym or heavy weights aren't required. Simple moves like pushing against a wall, standing up from a chair without using your arms, or working with resistance bands at home can stimulate essential muscle groups. The key is to move through your full range of motion and notice your muscles activating gently. If carrying groceries feels easier or standing from the floor feels steadier, you're already building functional strength. Beyond structured workouts, using your own body weight during everyday movements naturally reinforces strength. Functional activities mirror real-life tasks, preparing you for them. Climbing stairs, reaching overhead to place items on a shelf, or bending down to lift something from the floor all activate vital muscles. Activities such as gardening, carrying light laundry, or stepping onto a curb also count, especially when done with good posture and awareness. These may feel like small efforts, but over time, they protect against physical decline. While strength is critical, stamina and circulation are equally important. Moderate activities like brisk walking, gentle cycling, or easy dancing for about 30 minutes daily provide oxygen to muscles, strengthen the heart, and boost leg endurance. If a full half hour isn't possible, shorter sessions spread throughout the day are still highly effective. Taking a walk after meals, choosing longer paths in stores, or pacing during phone calls all add up. For those with joint discomfort, a stationary bike or water exercise offers low-impact alternatives to keep moving comfortably. Balance and flexibility also deserve attention, as they are essential for preventing injuries and maintaining coordination. Gentle practices like Tai Chi, with its controlled movements and weight shifts, strengthen stabilizing muscles and enhance body awareness. Yoga, whether done with a chair or in standing form, combines stretching with balance work to support joints, core stability, and mobility. Training your body to move smoothly and respond quickly reduces the risk of falls, one of the most important goals of fitness in later years. In addition to formal exercise, staying lightly active throughout the day is a powerful way to protect muscle. Extended sitting can gradually weaken your body, so make movement a frequent part of your routine. Stand and stretch while watching TV. March in place as you brush your teeth, or rise onto your toes while waiting for the kettle to boil. Everyday tasks like cleaning, light yard work, walking with grandchildren, or choosing stairs instead of elevators all contribute to your activity level. These brief, natural bursts of motion, known as non-exercise activity thermogenesis, NEAT, are strongly linked with better strength, circulation, and overall mood. The most sustainable physical habits are those you enjoy and can maintain long-term. If an exercise causes discomfort, adjust it. If weather limits you, find safe indoor alternatives. And if motivation is low, start with just 5 minutes, because 5 minutes often leads to more. What matters most isn't intensity, but the commitment to keep showing up for your body. Habit 2. Smarter nutrition for lasting strength. Strong muscles are built not only in the gym but also in the kitchen. Every bite you take acts like a signal, either telling your body to maintain and rebuild muscle or allowing it to slowly decline. For older adults, nutrition isn't about strict dieting. It's about consistently fueling the body with the nutrients it needs to remain active, independent, and resilient. A key part of this is high-quality protein. With age, the body becomes less efficient at using protein, which means seniors benefit from spreading intake evenly across 3 meals and a couple of snacks, instead of relying on just one large serving. Think eggs in the morning, beans or tofu at midday, and lean poultry or fish in the evening. Between meals, simple options like Greek yogurt, a piece of cheese, or a handful of nuts can give your muscles steady support without being heavy or complicated to prepare. After any kind of movement, whether it's walking, a balance exercise, or strength training, it helps to combine protein with a modest amount of healthy carbs. This duo aids muscle repair and refills your energy stores. A slice of whole grain bread with nut butter, cottage cheese paired with fruit, or a protein smoothie with banana are all practical choices that make recovery more efficient. To further reduce wear and tear on the muscles, include foods that naturally fight inflammation. Fatty fish such as salmon and sardines are excellent, but so are plant-based options like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Vibrant fruits such as blueberries, cherries, and raspberries provide antioxidants that protect muscle cells from everyday stress. Herbs and spices like turmeric and ginger add extra support and can be used easily in warm drinks or meals. Collagen is another important piece of the puzzle. While it's not a complete protein, it helps maintain connective tissues that allow muscles to move safely and smoothly. You can stimulate collagen production by eating foods such as bone broth, chicken with skin, or gelatin-rich dishes, and by pairing them with vitamin C sources like citrus fruits or bell peppers to enhance the process. Hydration also plays a silent but crucial role. Even slight dehydration can cause muscle cramps, reduce coordination, and lower overall strength. Drinking water regularly throughout the day, not just when thirst strikes, keeps muscles performing at their best. Herbal teas, soups, and water-dense foods like cucumbers, melons, and oranges also contribute to fluid intake. Electrolyte-rich foods like leafy greens, seeds, and even a small pinch of salt with meals help maintain the mineral balance your muscles need. It's equally important to know what to cut back on. Sugary snacks, soda, and processed foods may deliver quick energy, but they do little to support muscle and often encourage inflammation and nutrient depletion. Simple swaps like choosing fresh fruit over dessert, flavored water instead of soda, And whole, minimally processed foods instead of packaged ones can make a big difference over time. Ultimately, muscle-friendly eating isn't about rigid restrictions. It's about creating balance and consistency with meals that are simple, nourishing, and intentional. When you fuel your body wisely, you're not just eating, you're actively protecting your strength, independence, and vitality. Habit 3. Recovery and supplementation. Building muscle isn't just about the exercise itself. Real progress happens after the effort, during the recovery phase. The hours between your workouts are where the body repairs, adapts, and grows stronger. Giving yourself the right balance of rest, nourishment, and recovery practices is what allows long-term resilience and strength. One of the most powerful recovery tools is sleep. During deep rest, your body releases growth hormones that repair muscle fibers, restore glycogen, and reset your nervous system. For older adults, 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is especially important. When rest is short or fragmented, recovery slows, fatigue builds up, and muscles weaken faster. Creating a calming evening routine, reducing late-night screen time, and keeping your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet all promote deeper, more restorative sleep. Even short naps during the day can offer a valuable energy reset if nighttime rest is disrupted. Stress management also plays a surprisingly big role in protecting muscle. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, a hormone that in excess promotes muscle protein breakdown. Managing stress isn't just about peace of mind, it's about defending the strength you've worked for. Gentle daily practices like walking outdoors, slow breathing, listening to calming music, or engaging in creative activities can all reduce stress. Social connection, whether sharing meals, joining group classes, or simply spending time with supportive friends, provides both relaxation and motivation to stay active. Sometimes, however, nutrition alone may not be enough, and supplements can help bridge the gap. With medical guidance, certain nutrients can support recovery and preserve muscle health. Vitamin D helps muscles contract efficiently and improves balance. Calcium strengthens bones, giving muscles a solid base to pull against. Creatine, when paired with resistance training, boosts muscle energy and can help older adults maintain strength and independence. It should always be taken under professional supervision, especially for those with kidney issues or regular medications. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation and may ease nighttime cramps. Potassium, found abundantly in fruits and vegetables, regulates nerve signals and fluid balance within muscle tissue. Vitamin B12 is vital for nerve and energy function. Deficiencies can cause weakness, fatigue, or tingling, but supplementation can restore vitality. Another often overlooked recovery tool is temperature therapy. Short cold exposures, such as ending a shower with 30-60 seconds of cool water, activate brown fat and increase the release of adiponectin, a hormone that helps shield muscles from breakdown. In contrast, heat exposure, whether from saunas or warm baths, promotes the production of protective proteins that repair damaged tissue. Practiced a few times per week, these hot-cold techniques may slow age-related muscle loss and accelerate cellular recovery. The key is consistency. By combining proper rest, stress control, supportive nutrients, and smart recovery practices, you give your muscles the best chance to stay strong, flexible, and reliable at any stage of life. Habit 4. Awareness and mindset. Strength doesn't just come from effort. It endures through awareness. Consistency builds muscle, but paying attention to your body's signals keeps you moving in the right direction. By noticing early signs, whether physical or emotional, you can make adjustments before small concerns turn into setbacks. Just as movement and nutrition fuel muscle growth, Reflection and mindset make those actions sustainable.
Check in with yourself regularly. Weigh in every few weeks and pay attention to your functional strength.
A slow, intentional change is natural, but an unplanned weight loss of 5% or more within 6 months may point to muscle decline or nutritional gaps. You don't need high-tech devices. Simple indicators matter. How easily you get up from a chair, how steady you feel on stairs, or how your clothes fit. A weekly journal of activity, meals, and energy levels can reveal patterns and help fine-tune your habits. Health checkups add another layer of protection. Routine labs can uncover hidden obstacles like low vitamin D or B12, thyroid imbalances, or blood sugar issues. Men might also face reduced testosterone, which can affect muscle tone and motivation. Even medications, such as long-term steroids or certain statins, may interfere with strength. Digestive health matters too if your body isn't absorbing nutrients well. Even a balanced diet won't be enough. Conversations with your doctor can uncover simple solutions, from dietary adjustments to supplement support. Yearly check-ins with labs and physical assessments give you peace of mind and keep your strategy aligned. But mindset is just as vital as measurement. People who maintain an action-focused, optimistic outlook tend to sustain healthy routines longer. Positivity doesn't mean denying challenges. It means believing you can improve and adapt. This attitude fuels the drive to prepare nourishing meals, keep exercising, and show up, even when progress feels slow. Social connection can make this easier. Join a fitness class, take part in a local event, or simply invite a friend for a walk. Learning new recipes or gentle exercises stimulates both mind and body, reinforcing momentum. Remember, no one sticks to a perfect plan every day, and that's okay. Flexibility is what keeps routines sustainable. If you miss a walk, skip a supplement, or fall off track for a few days, just restart without guilt. Adjust intensity to your energy level. A shorter walk, lighter meal, or fewer reps still count. Swap activities when needed, a warm bath instead of a workout on a sore day, or soup instead of a full dinner. These small substitutions preserve momentum while respecting your body's needs. Lasting change doesn't happen all at once. Begin with just one step, whichever feels easiest. That might be a protein-rich breakfast, a short isometric contraction, or even a sauna session. Each small action is a meaningful investment in your independence, vitality, and long-term strength. And if there's one cornerstone habit, make it progressive resistance training. Just 2 30-minute sessions per week can rebuild years of lost muscle, restoring freedom and energy you thought were gone. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 4 habits do you already practice? Did one surprise you? Do you know an inspiring older adult who proves that age is just a number? Share in the comments and inspire others. And if this video helped, please like and subscribe, because strong muscles aren't only for the young. They're for everyone who wants to stay vibrant and capable.